could have bought us these.
Jana, you better sit down and
There's a mallard down here.
keep still, please.
Go in the water or no?
You can't.
You can with your baby.
You cannot.
There.
There's a coot. There's a mallard down here.
You can go getting on top of that rock.
Wait for your mom. She'll take care of you over there.
Stop it. You gonna stay on the night? No, you gotta get off. No, you're not doing that.
Yeah.
And then maybe we go down there and we can see it better.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Get out. Keep off. It says keep off. No, we're not going there. We're going over here. You see it like, look.
Okay, don't run, please. Okay, don't climb up there. Just. Okay, you guys.
That's their part.
You can go in there.
Fart. That's their noise. Their noise. Whoa.